Alrighty, everybody, we got another new video. We're going to open up 6 blaster boxes of Panini Elite Extra Edition 2022. We're looking for Philip Mazeroski, Jackson Holiday, James Wood, and we did not get any hits out of our mosaic video that we just did. So you get 2 autographs or 2 hits in each box. Yep. So 2 autograph or memorabilia cards. You get 1 pack, which is crazy out of a blaster. But maybe I guess to protect the hits, I'm gonna do a little bigger box. It's tougher to weigh them all instead of weighing packs. And we would not be buying these if these were not on sale. All right. Here is your packs. Probably a relic card in this first pack. Seems a little thick. All right. Jacob Remier. We got a Sony Dechari. That's out of 122. Jordan Lawler on the Future Threads relic card. That's not numbered. And then we got a Ricardo Perez autograph, not numbered. And this one is Owen Murphy out of 9.99. Yeah, maybe we can put him up there off the side because we'll probably hit more out of 9.99s. All right, Drew Jones. That's a really good one. We take that all day. We'll take them off screen because probably too many. Bryce Hubart out of 2.99. Chase Meridoth on the autograph. We got a Sony Dechari auto. And then this one's out of 9.99. Burrito. All right, Angel out of 2.99. Samuel Zavala. Nice. Jacob Mazeroski. That a 190. Let's go. That's what we want. That is a big, big, big hit. Henry Williams at 9.99. Jonathan Canna to die cut out of 212. Nice. Elijah Green at 225. Eric Alder on the Hidden Gems. And you got Jude Fabian, 9.99. We'll be listing this card right after the videos. Or a little bit later. Seems like there's a relic in this one. It is thick. All right, that's a Peyton Graham out of 185. Put them up here because we're running out of room. Nice. It looks like we got Hidden Gems out of 25 coming up. All right, Preston Wilson on the relic. Jose Torres out of 25. We'll take it. Justin Boyd. And I don't even know where to put these anymore because we're running out of room. All right, last pack magic. Very happy with the Mazeroski. That's what we were looking for. All right, we got Panini points coming up. We're going to take those out. 150 Panini points. Campbell. We got the Angel right there. All right, Alex Freeland, and then Josh Grivish. And that is going to do it. Thank you for watching.